So, you want to buy a house. With all of the options these days, how do you find the right one? And is now really the right time to buy? So much has been said about housing prices, you wonder if things can get any worse. But you're ready, so you jump in and go for it. Let's just say you've been pre-qualified for $250,000. Now it's time to narrow down your choices with the help of your real estate agent. Now you start looking. You know what you don't want? A boring house in a neighborhood full of houses that all look the same. What you do want is an established neighborhood, a home with some real character, good schools, and all the other things you've always thought would make the perfect home. And best of all, the house you like falls well within the amount you were pre-qualified for. There's only one little problem with this picture. The house you like in this perfect little neighborhood needs a lot of work. Yeah. In fact, all tallied up, there's at least $50,000 worth of renovations to be done. With a traditional loan, you'd be on your own for any upgrades, repairs, or improvements. You know how this works. First, it goes on the priorities list. Then it gets shuffled to the wish list. Until finally, it's beyond reach, barring a huge inheritance. Fortunately, with a renovation loan, the cost of renovations is built into the loan amount you pre-qualified for, allowing you the house you want with the changes it needs. And because we can finance the renovations in the loan, the total cash you need will be significantly less than if you purchased the house and then did the work after the fact on your own. To find out more about how to take advantage of a renovation loan, contact us today and experience the best of both worlds.